Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to list your business on Yelp. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is obviously head on over to yelp.com in your web browser. From here we need to log in or sign up. So for this demonstration I'm going to sign up with my Google account. You can use Apple or other. So I'm going to click my Google account. Now this is going to create my account and sign me in at the same time. Alright, then it says welcome to Yelp. So now that's my email. Now I need to choose a password, zip code, and complete the captcha. Then once you've done that, click on sign up. Alright, so once you've done that, you'll be taken back to the home page and you've created your account. So if I scroll up, you can see we're now signed into our account. Now on the top here we got these different tabs where it says Yelp for Business. Click the drop down menu and then click on add a business. Now you need to put in your business name. I'm just doing this for demonstration. Tutorials Pizza Shop for this demonstration. Now I'm going to put in my email address here. Then click continue. Now we need to put a phone number in. Then on the next page, they might be able to find your business. So if it is, go ahead and say, yes, this is my business. But if it isn't, go ahead and click on no, not my business. So I'm going to do no, not my business. Now we need to put our website address in. If you don't have a website, just go ahead and click on skip. I'm just going to click continue here. Now your business categories. So I'm going to type in pizza. So restaurant pizza. Does your restaurant have waiter service? If it does, yes, no. So just keep filling this out. And now what is your business address? Put in your street address, city, state, zip code, country. And also if your business has 1 to 9 locations, 10 plus, and then click continue. And just keep following along on this form. It is very simple and straightforward. And then at the end it will say submit the form. From there, Yelp may contact you via phone or email to verify your listing before it is published. And then once approved, you can create or log into your Yelp business account. You can go ahead and claim your listing if you haven't claimed it in the earlier steps, and you can also add more photos, respond to reviews, and manage your business page from there.